everybody, it's Tamika. I am here to share with you guys a project I made for Alina Cuddle. I will link her Instagram and YouTube and the dies that I got down below and the stamps. I want to show you what I was working with first before I share with you what I created. So I picked out this stamp set. And I like all the sentiments on here. So it says, get well soon. You are worthy. You are enough. Your feelings are valid. Positivity is power. Take care of yourself and you are not alone. Absolutely love that in this day and age. The encouragement and positivity that we need to give each other is important. So I had to have this cute little stamp set. Also, I picked up this circle design die. It's like little swirlies all around it, and there are 3 small ones and then some larger ones on top of that. You can have like a little insert. It actually is going to go with another die that I'll show you here in a second, but this can be used as a standalone as well. And then this is a book frame metal die, and it just creates this cute little die cut that you can use on a project or as a book, what do you call it? Bookmark, if you wanted to. So I'm interested in seeing what I can do with this. Alina sent this one as an extra. So I'm looking to see how that's going to work. I think it's cute. I also got this one. It's a similar design as the oval frame, but it has more of this shape, and there is a solid stitch piece that goes with each coordinating outside piece. So I love nesting. I love nesting dies. You can always do a base with the stitches and then do one on top. So super cute. And any of these can be made into a mini album. Speaking of mini albums, I grabbed this. It's a 4 by 6 mini album, 3.9 by 5.9. But it's 4 by 6 mini album, and this is what it comes out to be. I love the shape of this. I had a hard die, I may still have it, that had this kind of cover, but it may have holes in the end. But so this is really cute to have it in a thin die, and you get all these pieces enough to make the binding, the covers, the pages, just done. So I love the one all fits all type where you could just have everything in one and do everything all together. So, and it's already made for you. So love that. And this is a card, like a tri-fold, or maybe it's a four-fold. But this is a card die. And I got it to go with the one that I was telling you about earlier. This one here, to kind of set in there. Just like that, to make that card work. And it kind of closes up. It's really cute. So I'll be excited to play with that. And then we have a treasure chest gift box. So this is a smaller one, which I love. It has all the little holes on here to make it look like a treasure chest. You can omit that, of course, and just make it a regular treat box if you want. But it comes with the handle, cover pieces, and then, of course, the base pieces, the decor parts. Here are the decor parts there. So, really cute. And finally, I've been waiting for this. I have been wanting this one, and I saw it. I'm like, can't wait to have it. It is the mini album suitcase album. And then she has a whole tutorial start to finish on how to do that. So I won't be doing that, but I love the paper as well that she used. And I just like this. And I was debating on what I was going to do this with. Kyla wants a recipe book, but I'm debating on whether or not I should use this or not, because this does have like a limited amount of cards you can put in it, and I want to build her recipe book, so I may not use this, and I can just use this for something else. But this is so cute. It comes with everything that you need to make the box. It's a front die, back die, you get the corner pieces, and everything is included. So these are all the dies and the stamp set that I picked up from Alina Cuddle in this design team box. So I'm going to go ahead and show you my project. Which one, before we merge over to the project, do you think I started with? There we go. So I started with the stamp set because I think this stamp set is really important. I have a lot of friends a lot of people that I know that this stamp set would be beneficial to if it were to be placed on a card and given. So I really love this, and I'm all about mental health and that it matters. So I played with the stamp set first. So really quick video. This is what I made. I think this card is so adorable. It says, take care of yourself. Your mental health matters. And I just did the stamps on some cardstock and then popped it up with some foam dots. And I did use another Alina die to cut this out, and also use some ink. I do have a quick video on how I put this together. It will be coming out tomorrow, so you guys can just see how this came about. But I really wanted to show you what I did first with the stamp set. It's a 3.5 by 7 card, and I'll definitely be making more of these. So anyway, that's my video for today, guys. I hope you do check out the links that I have down below in the description box, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.